Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create unlimited USA number using the TextFree application. So previously I made a video on how you can get the TextFree application on your Android device. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an account on the TextFree application and also how to get a USA number. So firstly, go to your Play Store if you don't have this VPN and download the Super VPN. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description below, and if you also need to get the TextFree application, I'm going to be dropping the link to the video on where I showed you how you can get the TextFree application. So let's get into the video, guys. So first things first, you have to eject your SIM from your phone. So after ejecting your SIM from your phone, you connect to a nearby Wi-Fi or someone's hotspot. Into someone's hotspot. So I've connected to my other phone's hotspot here, and after ejecting my SIM, so then you go to the VPN and connect to your targeted location. So my targeted location is basically the US. So since I'm going to be working in the US, once you are in the VPN app, click on the fastest location icon, then look for a particular state in the US. So let's say we're working with Dallas, so all you just have to do is to click on Dallas. So now guys, it's now connected now guys. So all you just have to do now is to long click on your TextFree application, then app info. So after clicking on the app info, you clear the storage and the cache. After clearing the storage and cache, then you first stop the app. But before opening the app, you have to go to your Chrome browser and then search for generator.email. I'm going to be dropping the link to this site in the description below. So copy the email it is going to be giving you, then go back to the TextFree app with that mail. So you click on continue with email. So after clicking on continue with email, it's going to tell you to log in, but you're not going to be clicking on login. You click on don't have an account sign up. So once you click on don't have an account sign up, then you continue. So it's going to ask for your area code that you would like to use. So you just have to put a random area code. So it is telling me 709 is not available, so I have to work with maybe 579. So once you click on the available area code, then you click on a particular number there, then confirm. So you put the email we copied from the other sites previously there, the email generator site. You put the email here, then put a password you would like to use. Alright guys, so I just inputted my password now. Then I'll click on my gender. So I'm going to be clicking on mail, then sign up. Right, so now guys, it is telling me let's activate your TextFree number. So now guys, as you can see, we've been able to claim a number on TextFree. So just have to click on accept icon, then allow it to send notification and record audio. So you allow all the permissions it's going to be asking you. Continue. Use TextFree with ads. So now guys, as you can see, now we've successfully created a TextFree account with a USA number. So this is just how you can easily do this, guys. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and you can also do as well to share to others. Thanks for watching, guys.